Before going directly to Google Search Console, let me introduce you to the website that we will work on in. This is the website dashboard. I have published 30 for blog posts. Here we are. This is one of my website hosting on Blogger with free domain, free template installed. If you want to create a website like this one for free, I will leave links to the video and full guide articles to read, learn, and build yours from scratch. Anyway, let's get started and add this blog to Google Search Console. So, this is Google Search Console window. Let's start now and create a new property. As you see here, I have two websites attached to Google Search Console, and I will add another property for this blogger site. Now, I need to paste the URL of my blog site or only a domain name. I will copy the URL of my blog site right now. And here you need to be careful of which windows you are going to go and add the property. The port number 1 is a new, and it requires to add your domain name. If you have a free domain blogger.com, you just need to add it easily, and if you have your own domain with another company like GoDaddy or NameCheap, you need to add DNS verification. The port number 2, it requires to add the full URL of your site, but I recommend that first port as it's new and easy to set up things. As you can see, I'm choosing the first port and I added the free blogger domain name. I will click on continue right now. And here is the important thing that I want to show you is, the verification of ownership is auto and eyes on. Which means, I'm verified my ownership to my blogger site. Now, let's go to property to see things inside on Google Search Console. Also we can add subdomains into property, but to make things simple, let's just start now. As you can see again, you are a verified owner. If you want to check your site page's performance and analytics, click on the overview. But there is no date displaying right now. It will show up later starting from the second day after signing up. Now, the first thing that you should do after getting access to Google Search Console is testing pages on the URL inspection. Copy the URL or the domain name and paste it here for inspection. This operation will show you the result of your page. Either URL is on Google or not available to Google. It is retrieving data from Google Index. For better and live testing this page, click on Test Live. Make sure that testing URL live sometimes may take 1 to 2 minutes. And finally, URL is available to Google. This page can be indexing. Before request indexing, let's move to Sitemaps side and add XML sitemaps to this blogger website. Here's we can add sitemaps URLs. For more details you can visit its site, sitemap.org. However, here are sitemaps URLs example. Here, you just need to put your site name instead of your site and add it as a new sitemap. It must be ended by .xml like the example. And make sure to add a correct XML sitemaps. I will leave all sitemaps URLs below in description to keep things easier for you. I will add like for new sitemaps, and you can add more if you want. In the beginning we just need to focus to index all website pages, making the website showing on the Google search results. And Google bots will process and show you changes after crawling. And here I added for sitemaps URLs, but Google bots haven't discovered any successful URLs yet. But no worries if you got like this issues, because those sitemaps are on process, and which means not blocked by Google bots. Let's see if you open an Incognito browser and paste sitemap URL and search for it. We'll direct to 400 for doesn't exist page. And here is the same results as I told you. The Google bots just blocked the sitemap temporary during processing and crawling. In addition, if you put your domain URL followed by the site word and colon, it may not giving any results. As you can see here, Google doesn't display my blog website on the results because it's not indexing yet. Also, if you put the full website URL or the domain site, it will direct to nothing. Right now, the only thing have to do is to test all pages and request indexing to tell Google to hurry to index your website. First, I will start with the home page or the domain name URL. Even the URL redirect to not available to Google, just test it for live. And exactly like this matter, because it's normal case. And when you see URL is on Google and page can be indexed, scroll down and check on mobile usability. If all things are verified and on the green sign, you only need to request indexing by Google and Google will process your request in days. Because right now, this page URL has been crawled successful on the meantime. So, I will request indexing right now. Make sure that Google will crawl it again, so you'll only have to wait. And you can inspect and test live all your page's website and request indexing by Google. Right now, inside of my blog dashboard, I will check if I get any views in past months since I had been publishing articles and pages. In the last 30 days, my blog site got 41 views. Let's scroll down to see more results. Here's the map in all countries where I got views. But make sure these views are not organic. Most of views were directed from social media like Quora platform. After 24 hours of joining Google Search Console, there's no results yet by Google because the indexing operation is still in process. However, inside of Breadcrumbs, I got one valid URL. And which means, this page is eligible for Google search, and it will definitely be indexing sooner. And we can check the data from Google results. Here's the one valid page was detected successfully, but I'm not sure if there is a performance records for this page. I will go to performance dashboard to see if any impression was recorded during 24 hours for that valid page. The performance dashboard is still empty, which means there's impression yet. Anyway, we started a Google Search Console and verified ownership. And, what is more important, is to apply for Google AdSense, to display ads and start earning money from your blog site. And I will make videos completing this playlist tutorials about monetize your blog site. Because Google AdSense only approve few sites to display ads. So guys, make sure to check out useful links in description below. Leave a like if you find this video helpful, subscribe and hit the ring button to get notified when I publish new videos. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you in the next video.